Protecting your hearing is essential, whether you're on a job site, at the shooting range, or just mowing the lawn. In this video, we'll break down the best hearing protection options to keep your ears safe and sound. We upload quality product reviews daily, so if you want smart picks without the guesswork, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Number 1. Decibel Defense Safety Earmuffs. Decibel Defense's safety earmuffs are a worthy choice for anyone who needs maximum hearing protection, yet doesn't like sticking earplugs into their ears. While few earmuffs can offer more than 31 dBs of hearing protection, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, OSHA, rates these over-the-ear earmuffs at 34 dB, while the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, certifies them at 37 dB, offering as much protection as many earplugs. During testing, we found the Decibel Defense earmuffs to be very comfortable and effective. They didn't squeeze excessively, and the deep pads sealed well around the ear. While the NRR claims are excellent, what we liked most about this model was how comfortable they felt when worn over the ears as well as on the neck when not in active use. Number 2. Max Ultra Soft Foam Earplugs. The 50 foam earplugs in this pack offer superior noise reduction, incomparable comfort, and great value. With an NRR of 33 decibels, they're very effective at blocking loud sounds, and they're barely noticeable once inserted, so they're ideal for the workshop as well as for wearing for sleep. Soft foam rolls easily and expands inside the ear canal and can be reused several times before it starts breaking down. For anyone who doubles up their hearing protection with a set of over-the-ear earmuffs, Max Earplug Soft Foam will ensure that their ears stay comfortable while providing remarkable NRR. It was very cold on the day we tested these earplugs, and in such low temperatures, it took about a minute and a half for them to expand fully in the ear canal. But once they did, we found them to be the most comfortable form of hearing protection in the group. Plus, the pack of 50 makes them an economical choice. We reused our test pairs at least 5 times. While we didn't notice any foam breakdown, we tossed them after that to avoid any hygiene problems associated with dirty earplugs. Number 3. 3M WorkTunes Connect Plus Solar. For a reliable Bluetooth connection with over-ear hearing protection, we recommend 3M WorkTunes Connect Plus Solar Hearing Protector. These Bluetooth ear protection muffs offer a 26 dB NRR, which is suitable for mowing, and they also pair with a mobile device to stream media or make phone calls. An onboard solar cell constantly charges the battery in outdoor or indoor lighting, so you never need to worry about losing your connection. The solar cell is a significant improvement over previous WorkTunes ear protection headphones. That addition raised the price, but it definitely adds value. We spent more time testing these than the other Bluetooth hearing protectors because we wanted to see if we could wear down the battery. Starting with a full charge, we streamed audio for 45 hours under normal indoor light and never had to resort to the backup wall charging system. If you mostly use them outdoors, the solar cell should be sufficient. Number 4. Klein Tools Bluetooth Job Site Earbuds. Hearing protection with Bluetooth allows you to stay safe and connected while working in the shop or cutting the grass. The Klein Tools Bluetooth Hearing Protection Earbuds are purpose-built for loud work environments with noise isolation technology and 28 dB of noise reduction. With up to 5 hours of runtime per charge, 15 hours with the included charging case, these earbuds can stream music and answer phone calls throughout the day. They were easy to set up and adjust, and they did a great job blocking out machine noise. They delivered really good music and voice sound quality too. Perhaps best of all, these earbuds were much smaller and lighter in weight than others we've tried, although they didn't run as long per charge as some. Given the choice, we decided that comfort was more important than a bigger, heavier battery. Number 5. M Peltor Sport Triflange Earplugs. These 3M Peltor tri-flange earplugs are the best of their kind because they are affordable, reusable, and effective. The flanged plugs fit different ear canal shapes and sizes, but they do not require rolling like foam earplugs. Instead, these silicone plugs feature rigid stem grips that make them easy to insert. We prefer in-the-ear hearing protection like earplugs over earmuffs for outdoor work because they are not as hot in summertime, and because they are easier to use while wearing a hat and safety glasses. In this case, the vinyl retaining cords were well attached to the plugs, so we didn't have to worry about them breaking, but they tended to feel sticky on the back of the neck. The EDRR rating on these plugs was lower than some of the others we tested, but they are adequate for mowing by bringing the noise level down from 100 dB unfiltered to less than 75 dB entering the ear.